Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track engaged user with trigger group and send it as a GA4 event. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be basically using this website for creating trigger group. So I have already installed Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 property for this website. So first of all, we need to create the trigger group. So let's get to know what is trigger group. So a trigger group is a group of triggers, So we need to have at least 2 triggers for creating a trigger group. So in this instance, we'll be creating a trigger for those who have scrolled to our website for at least 25% and stays at least 30 seconds. Okay, then we are going to be creating an engaged trigger or a trigger group for setting up a GA4 event. Okay, perfect. So let's set up these 2 separate triggers. So the first one would be 25% scroll depth. Okay, so 25% scroll depth. Okay, then trigger group would be scroll depth, and I'll be choosing vertical scroll depth, and I'll give the value as 25%. Okay, then I'll hit save. Then I'll be creating another trigger for 30 seconds users. 30 seconds user timer. Okay, so I'll be choosing the timer trigger, and the event name would be GTM.timer. Interval would be 30,000 seconds, and the limit would be 1. Okay, variable would be event message regex, then dot star. Perfect, then I'll hit save. Now we'll be creating a trigger group. So for creating a trigger group, I'll hit new. Then I'm going to choose trigger group, and here I'll be choosing trigger group, and we need to select or choose 2 triggers, at least 2 triggers. Okay, so I'll be choosing 25% is for that first. Then I'll choose another trigger. This is 30 seconds user. Okay, 25% is call type and 30 seconds user. So I'll name this trigger as engaged trigger. So this trigger will only be fired if someone comes to our website and scrolls for 25% and stays on this website for at least 30 seconds. Hopefully you have understood. Okay, so I'll click on save. Then I'll be creating a tag for the GA4 event. Okay, so I'll click on new and give the tag name as GA4 event engaged user. Okay, so I'll choose tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event, and we have already created the measurement ID. So we're going to be showing this measurement ID, and you will see the green signal Google tag found in this container, and the event name would be engaged user. You can name it as per your requirements. No worries. If you want, you can provide the event parameters. Okay, so for this instance, I'll not be providing any event parameters. And as the triggering, I'll be using engage trigger. Okay, perfect. So let's say 25% 30. Perfect. Then I'll hit save. So our implementation is done. Now we need to preview it or debug it. So before previewing it, I will go to the debug view from the analytics so that I can see everything real time in the analytics. Okay, perfect. Now I'll go to the preview mode, and I need to provide the website URL. This is already there, and I'll hit connect. Perfect. Then we have come to our website, and you can see this event hasn't fired yet. GA4 event engaged user. Okay. So let's stay on this website for at least 30 seconds, and then we are gonna be scrolling to the 25%. Okay. Just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, timer event has fired, but this event hasn't fired because this event will only be fired if someone stays to this website for at least 30 seconds and is scored at least 25%. So we have spent to this website more than 30%. So that's why the timer event has fired, but we didn't scroll 25%. So let's scroll 25%. Okay. Then the trigger should fired. You can see over here, GA4 event engaged user has fired one time. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the analytics. You can see over here, engaged user. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have understood how to create a trigger group with the engaged user tag, okay, or with the engaged user event. Okay, so I have done my implementation. Now I'll submit the changes. Okay, if you want, you can give the version name and version description as well. So I'm gonna hit publish.